skip counting by twos. When we count by ones, we count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 kids. But if we're going to skip count by twos, we can't just touch one person and say 2. We have to touch 2 kids this time. So it would look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I was saying some of the numbers quiet and some of the numbers loud. Can you try that with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The numbers that I'm saying out loud is every other number. 2, we say 3 quietly, and then 4 loud. We say 5 quietly, and then 6 loud. We say 7 quietly, and then 8 loud. It's like we're counting every other number, or we're skipping some numbers, skipping over them. That's why we say skip counting by 2. I'm counting 2 kids, so I just get to say 2. And then I'm counting 2 more kids, which means now there are 4. And then I'm counting 2 more, which means now there are 6. And I'm counting 2 more, which means now there are 8. Let's try that with the cherries. I'm not going to just touch one cherry and count by ones. I'm going to touch 2 cherries at the same time to count by twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 8 cherries and 8 kids as well. On the next page, you can see the hundreds chart. Here, we can also touch 2 numbers, and we're just saying the second number of the 2. We're skipping over one of them and just saying the second. So when I'm counting by twos, I'm actually counting 2 numbers at one time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So we end up skipping over the odd numbers and only saying the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. On the template, there's a sheet that has some pictures of things that come in twos. I want you to touch 2 things at once as you count. You can say all of the numbers, but you're going to say the odd numbers quiet and the even numbers loud. So you can say 1, 2, but make sure that the 2 is louder. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do one more example just so that we're really sure that we got it before you do the activity, okay? So here, there are groups of 2. I could count them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. But instead, I'm going to count them in groups of 2. I'm going to skip count. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So what numbers am I going to write? Here, I'm not going to write the 1, I'm going to write 2. Then 4. Then 6. 8. 9. 10. And even though I'm only writing some of the numbers, there are still 10 things of food here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So open the template, count by twos, and write the numbers on the lines like I'm showing you here. Then click the green check mark when you're ready to upload it.